yeah, so that's pretty much it. So now this is a project creation and cargo navigation. Now on variable declaration, we do have the idea of reserved keyword let variable name, type, and value. So it's always, let's say, the keyword, reserved keyword, and then the type. So I'm here in the assigned version of an integer, 32 bits. I think we can say str. It's gonna be a string literal, and then a normal string, a string object, type of string, and can be initialized with string new. Float 32, f32, no, and then float 64, f64, no. Character can be represented by let's say, yeah, default chart can be represented by char. But the problem with the char is this, the caveat here is that this is 4 bytes long. So if you want to actually read a char with 1 byte, 1 byte char, it's gonna be U8, and then you use this prefix to actually get the char in. So then you have 4 bytes and then 1 byte. So this is, mostly to be, to be used to represent like a wide range of characters. And C++ is, we use a lot of dub string as well, a wide range of characters. It's basically Unicode rather than just ASCII. This is just ASCII, and this is Unicode. There you go. And also you have famous Boolean. And yeah, this is, fundamentally the main types in Rust. So there's another way that you actually can declare this. You can get your variable, declaring variables using type postfix. So there is some, weird way of doing this. As you can see, I can. The nice thing is that I'm already shadowing here, right? So which is another concept. Happy New Year, Valde. How are you, man? So you can actually declare your, as you can see, the types. Float 32 you can declare with using postfix. It's a different symbology. Personally, I don't like that. I wonder how a string would be. There is no like definition for strings, right? For instance, default string, and then you predefine that to string. Well, this is string literal. You could use toString actually to convert this to string. I think there is a cost of doing this. I'm not sure. Rather than just create the object, I need to compare. I don't know if there is an efficiency cost of just doing this, right? For instance, right? Happy New Year, Ikaro. Happy New Year. Thanks, man. So I think for declaring variable on Rust is pretty straightforward. It's just as I said, right, reserve keyword lat, variable name, type, and value. One of the things though I realize is that if you declare a variable here, like for instance age, which is U32, and then you don't assign a value, it will complain immediately. So if I try to print ln this variable, for instance, and then I pass age here, it will also get an error because, you know, age is not being initialized. And then you wonder, so I'm forced to initialize the variables, and then if I say age here and initialize here, he complains about another thing, which is, hey, you could do this line just right on the declaration, right? It forces you to create and initialize at the same time, which is not true for certain languages like C++, for instance. But is it good? To be honest, this is a good, this is a very good recommendation or discipline for the developer to be on top of it, right? So you don't, you know exactly what needs to be done. So there's a lot of like little mistakes that happen on C++ just because people don't, they forget to initialize things. This is actually a cool reinforcement. So there you go. This is variable declarations with Rust. And